Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to be installing the Sparco R100 seats into the Mark IV Supra. The guys over at Planted Technologies sent me their seat brackets and their new seatbelt adapter for the sliders. So I get to install that today on the Supra and do kind of my thoughts and opinions on these seat brackets. So let's check them out. So guys, I already actually unboxed them for the TikTok video, so YouTube gets it last. That's just how it goes. Now, I was already going to go with Planted Technologies. I've seen a lot of good stuff from them and a lot of good reviews on their products, so I was already going to go with them, and I reached out to them to see if we could do kind of a collab. So right off the bat, these brackets seem super thick. Just great products so far, and I'm super excited to get them installed. So I already actually tore up this box and stuff, but the coolest part that they just got done releasing, or they're about to release, is the seatbelt adapter. It bolts in between your seat and your slider to where when you slide your seat forward, the seatbelt buckle actually comes with you, which is great. So you're not straining yourself with the seatbelt. It's a great solution to a big problem when it comes to sliding bucket seats. And lastly, I decided to go with the hardware kit, so I don't have to run around chasing washers and bolts at a hardware store. So we can kind of do this in one swing. All right, guys, first things first, we got to take out the old seats. I'm so happy to do this. I hate these seats. I think they're the most uncomfortable seat ever made. Got the old slider off, and basically the seatbelt bracket is going to bolt in between your seat and your slider. Now, they made this thin enough to where it doesn't raise the seat that much, so smart thinking on their end. We're going to bolt this up, and then it's going to go slider and then bracket. Pretty straightforward. All right, guys, so we basically have the seatbelt adapter bolted up, and then we got the sliders bolted up on one seat. It's pretty straightforward. Everything's slotted to allow you for adjustability, and you can either run this tab facing down like I have it or facing up. These seats, it doesn't make sense to have this tab flipping up. But yeah, we're bolted in, and the sliders are on, so we're going to move on to the next seat, and then we're going to be putting these in the car. All right, just a quick little update here. We got the seatbelt actually mounted, and as you can see, when we slide, the seatbelt buckle is going to be coming with it. Pretty cool design, and it's working out great. Let's throw these in the car. All right, you guys, here it is, the moment of truth. Let's check out these seats. Oh my. Oh my. Guys, this is literally a game changer. Like, having the Planted Technology seatbelt buckle adapter is insane. I'm about to show you guys how it works. So if you see up in here, my seatbelt is bolted to the actual seat in between the seat and the slider, with Planted Technology seatbelt buckle adapter. Now, what that does is it lets the seatbelt buckle actually slide with your seat. So if we go back, the seatbelt is actually coming with us. I don't know how someone hasn't thought of that sooner, but it's a great design. Shout out to Planted. Thanks for working with me. Thanks for sending me everything I need to bolt these seats up. 10 out of 10 customer support, fast replies, great people over there. So be sure to check them out. And I'm dying, so I'm gonna get some water. It's hot in the shop. Shout out to Planted. Go follow them. Go check out what they have for your car. And you won't regret making a purchase through them. See y'all in the next video. The Supra is about to go crazy. So be sure to follow.